Hi everyone, it's your friend on the Valorant channel. Today I'll show you what to do if there's no sound in Valorant. First, let's get Valorant started. We're diving into Riot games. Also, make sure your sound is working, just generally that there's sound there. Just drag the slider to see if you hear anything. Great. Alright, I'm going into Valorant and we'll be back. So first, you could try fixing the game files, but usually that doesn't change anything. Alright, let's get into the game. You can launch the game in windowed mode to keep track of the sound. As soon as you get into the game, check the mixer to make sure you didn't accidentally turn the volume down. If everything looks good here, we'll head into the sound settings. Yes, just type sound into the start menu. Let's go into the sound settings. Here, check out the speakers and select your default speakers. Make sure the speakers you're using are working. To see which speakers are working, play some sound through them, go to additional sound settings, and they'll respond if they're active. Yes, if there's sound playing. If none of that helped, in Valorant settings, go to sound and check if sound is enabled everywhere. After these changes in Windows settings, I recommend restarting the game. In the chat settings, there's a section for selecting an output device. This is similar to what we did in Windows settings, just select it separately here. Pick the speakers that work for you. For me, everything's managed through my microphone, a FIFA mic, yeah. We're only concerned with the output device, that's the game sound. Also, ensure the sound is turned on here. Try setting auto detect here, in case wrong speaker settings are causing the issue. Overall, if your speakers are working, this should help. This was Vela. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.